Welcome to Nails of Interest, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I did the overlay, the French overlay on my natural nails. If you watched the previous video, you know that they had a slight gel covering about here on out. So I had to do a very thin layer, but I'll show you how to do a French in hard gel. But first I want to show you this cute little tool I got. It came in this bag. It's called the FlexiFinger. And it's really flexible. Love it. It adjusts every which way I want to turn it. I haven't even played with it yet. The suction cups down onto the countertop. Any hard work surface, it won't suction onto this plastic. It'll suction to everywhere else. Here's the finger. These are the nail tips that you can get with it. This is size number 3. Next time I'll go probably with size number 2. But you just stick it in there. You don't have to use any glue whatsoever. You can fit a form to this, whatever. I'm loving it so far. It will work with other tips. These are extra long, but it does work with other tips. This is how a size 2 would fit. I'm liking a size 2 better. It just doesn't have as much, hold there, but you don't need any glue. If you get their long tips or get any long tip, it would fit in there. So that's lovely. So for today's demonstration, I already went ahead and filed the tip around because that's what most people nail beds would be when they come in. I'll push it in there and I'll just get to work and see you at the end. I'm just going to put a French overlay, pretend that a natural extension is already on here. Pretend that this is naturally an extension. Or even a short nail. We'll go a little short because mine are short. I'll add an extension onto this and show you what I do with the Lexi line that you saw me doing this extension and this extension on earlier. So this is my new client here. I'll be getting used to working with it. In a previous video, you likely saw me did an extension on here, left it without the French. Did extension on here as well, left it without the French. You saw me doing this. Then I was going to be busy for quite a while, not able to do my nails, so I did French or pink in here just to test it out. And I added white over and then an overlay or top. This time I'm just going to go ahead with the pink and the white and do a clear gel overlay on the top. I won't be talking now. So we'll just get right into it. First, I want to show you the Manicures brushes I bought. These are gel brushes I purchased on Amazon. I have to tell you, I haven't used them yet, but I'm loving them. It comes in this leather-like case. It has all sorts of brushes. It has specialty brushes for doing 3D roses and what have you. I haven't even tried that yet, but I will get into that. It has 2 sizes of the flats. These are the real hair brushes. They are so silky smooth. This is the round ones. I normally use a flat, but I was wanting to try a round, so I bought this so I would have 2 sizes to choose from. I think I'm going to try the larger one. I don't know, I'll probably use both of them to encapsulate the pink on my hand. And it has 2 sizes of the flats that I normally use. It's all personal preference on what you like. I believe this is like a number 4 and this might be a number 6. I'm not sure, it doesn't say, but there is a few little strands hanging off. You can just cut those off. Won't be a problem, but it's just so silky smooth and firm. Just wanted to show you that real quick before I get them gunkied up with gel. They have the nice metal lids to keep them safe. This beautiful case. Sorry, my band-aid came off. This beautiful case, I love it. I've been just popping my brush into a box for my first gel kit ever. Love it. Thinking about trying out one of these. Just thought I would share that with you. it all wraps up nice and neat for storage. I like that. You can check out my Amazon reviews under the name Nails of Interest on Amazon on the US website. They're all listed right there under my name. I have a reviewer's badge now for nail polish, nail art. I'm not sure what it is now. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. Okay, if this was a regular client, you would go ahead and have them wash their hands before you proceed with any decorations. But that's basically how you get a French overlay. I did a bit of a reverse. When I did the pink, you couldn't just file it and put the white right over it and file it down. But I like to have a little bit more of a natural look. And we can proceed from here with many decorations. You can stamp over top of this. Acetone won't affect it. So you can put stamps, you can put jewels, you can do whatever you want over top. Figured I'm gonna do a little stamping. Sorry, forgot to hit record to finish how I finished my look, but I'll show you how to do this in a gel polish as well. this was some stamping and jewels, we'll show you how to do that as well on my usual surface. Okay, I'm going to do the same look in the Models 1, Morandi Pink and African White. Pretty simple. You can do this with regular polish, gel polish, whatever your preference is. You can do nude. On your fingernail, you would go this way at the very beginning, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. With gel polish, you can fade the two into each other as well before you dry it. You can use regular polish, put on a base and sponge it in. You can also just go ahead and apply it all the way to the tip. I just haven't been a fan of that lately. I used to do that with regular polish. I used to just put the pink on, go right over it with the white. If you got a good cure or good coverage white, won't be a problem. This is what I like about gel polish. This is why I like the gel polish so much. You can take a little bit of acetone alcohol before you cure it. Especially if you're a perfectionist, you can go right through here and clean up your smile line. Don't get too much on, else it will flood. You can just clean it up a little bit. If you want a more natural look, go ahead and leave it to where it'll blend into each other a little bit. Get out my African white, or any white polish or gel polish will work. Most of you know how to do a French mani already, and you just go over the tip. You can cure that if you're afraid that you're going to go over it. I like to put some down, wipe off my brush, and go back in for the edge. These gels are curing in 30 seconds. While that's getting ready, I'm going to get out a silver polish. I used Born Pretty Plate L016 right here. Okay, that's all done. You can do 1 coat, 2 coats, however many you need. I just like to go right ahead and get my stamping under the top coat, or you can put on top of the top coat in case, especially with gels, in case you want to get rid of your design work. You can just rub it off with acetone real quick and it won't affect anything. But this isn't my finger, so I'll just go ahead and do. Same with the hard gels. Right now, since this is just hard gel, I could go right over it with any design I want, switch it out a few times. That's the convenience of a hard gel French mani. You can even go into the salon, get these done, and then just play with them at home. I'm only going to do partial on this one. I figured why not. We clean up your cuticles. Missed a little spot because my polish wasn't 100% cured in the center. I've changed up my nail lamp a little bit. And how I like to attach gems is with, this is a hard gel, it's a soak off hard gel. This is the Luxio, it just happens to be one I picked. I have a lot of it, so I'm just going to use it. And I put a little at the base. Wherever you want to put your gems, just put just a little, not too much, don't get crazy. You can always add more. Get out your favorite pickup tool. Find your bling. Remember, this will run. You can just attach it with gel polish, but this gives it a little bit more security. will secure it on, especially if you're using some costly gems. These gems were actually a free gift from an order that I placed. These are free gifts from an order I played with Bellissima. This is a store out of the UK. This is a little free gift that came with my order. I'll do a green. Now, honestly, to me, that's a little too big for this size nail, but we're just playing around here. Just get them on there. Don't worry about moving them until after you get them on. You can do this with clear polish as well. It just won't stay as much. Give that a good cure, a minute. I'm probably running out of space on my SD card. And then cover it with top coat. Sorry about that, the memory card did run out on me. But here's my finished look on my FlexiFinger, and here's the finished look on my nail stand. It's just a simple little look. It's cute. There is quite a difference in color, but that's to be expected. Different color pinks will do different colors. It's all in what you would like. You can do this with regular polish, hard gels, gel polish. There's many, many, many ways. It's been over 3 weeks. I've still got them going strong. It's still on my thumb and still on my pointer. I did have some slight lifting right here at this point, but I did use it as a tool. And these two fingers are my fingers that nothing ever sticks to. So take that information for what it is. I think it's a pretty good product for this. Sorry, I keep tapping. It's still on, still going strong. 3 weeks later. The videos may not come up in 3 weeks time, but that's what it is in my time. Thank you for watching my little hard gel, adding bling, light stamping design here. 2 ways to get a French mani. Don't know what you want to call it. Don't know what I'm going to call it yet. But thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe below. Leave me a comment. I would like all my people that are currently subscribed to leave me a comment below if you haven't already. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give you guys an extra entry into my 1,000 sub giveaway. It's going to be a while, but I would like to have it on record who's all watching right now. As I've already hit over 200 subs, I would like to have all of you have an extra entry into that contest to thank you for being here at my beginnings, my humble little beginnings here. I do thank everyone for watching. Have a great day. I hope everything is going well in your life. Till then, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.